lot of misconceptions about homeopathy. People think that it may take a long time to treat with homeopathy. People think that when homeopathic medicines are given, they may increase the symptoms first and then the cure will be followed by. At Trikaya Homeopathy, my main motto is to educate the masses about homeopathy. Prescribing medicine is not the only task we do, but we make the patient at ease by talking to them. Usually we get many patients of arthritis, joint pains, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and usually patient का सबसे पहला question ये होता है कि हम कितने टाइम में ठीक होंगे, क्योंकि joint pains के लिए उनको लगता है कि it will take a long time. But usually then we tell to the patient that if homeopathy is treating you in further 8 to 10 months, then it is not taking that much long time, because you have brought up your disease to us after almost 10 to 15 years. Because once years back when you had a joint pain, you took painkiller. Other time you went to some orthopedic doctor and took some anti-inflammatory drugs or some painkillers. So slowly you have progressed the disease to this level, and now there is no comfort from those kind of medication. So now you have progressed the disease condition to this level, and usually patient says कि अच्छा अब ठीक नहीं हो रही है कंडीशन, अब हम होम्योपैथिक डॉक्टर के पास चलते हैं. सो जब एक होम्योपैथिक डॉक्टर के पास आते हो तो आप ऑलरेडी उस डिजीज़ कंडीशन को 15 साल से प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हो. सो अब उस 15 साल की कंडीशन को अगर एक डॉक्टर 8 से 10 महीने में रिवर्ट बैक कर रहा है, तो दैट इज़ आई थिंक नॉट अ लॉन्ग टाइम. Second example about this I would like to give you, if a patient eats some street food like some golgappas, pani puris and some tikki chaat, so after that patient may have a food poisoning or diarrhea, comes with the vomiting, comes with a high grade fever. So if I'll ask now, it will take a 1 month time, so it's a stupidity. I have to treat the patient within say 24 to 48 hours, because that's an acute condition, and acute conditions can be covered with the homeopathy as well in a shorter duration. So one should remove this misconception from their mind that homeopathy cannot treat quickly. We have solution for fevers, for common ailments, for viral infections, for parasitical infections, for dengue to chikungunya to swine flu, and we can treat them. If the right similimum is given to the patient, we can treat them in 72 hours max.
Trikaya Homeopathy was founded with a vision of providing holistic healing to one and all. The philosophy of Trikaya Homeopathy is to offer an integrated healing approach that creates a harmony between the body, the mind, and the soul.
At Trikaya, we provide emergency care, and that itself proves that homeopathy can treat acute conditions effectively and instantly. And every day we treat many emergency patients at Trikaya. There is one more misconception that when homeopathic medicines are being given, so पहले ये conditions को बढ़ाएगी, मतलब symptoms को increase करेगी, and then treatment शुरू होगा. But this is totally a myth. This is not the fact. This happens when the medicines are being given in higher doses or the wrong medicine has been selected for the patient. So this is not the drawback of homeopathy, but this is the drawback of a homeopath who is selecting the medicine. For example, there are many skin conditions like psoriasis, eczema, various allergies. So in those conditions, if the actual similimum medicine in exact potency is being given, the improvement starts from the very first day. One more thing, we treat every person as an individual. होम्योपैथी में इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक अप्रोच होती है, जिसके बेसिस पे हम अलग अलग पर्सनस को अलग अलग मेडिकेशन प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं, बी इट दे आर हैविंग द सेम डिजीज़. फॉर एग्जांपल, हमारे पास 2 पर्सनस हैं, दोनों को ही 104 बुखार हो रहा है, दोनों को ही 7 डेज से फीवर आ रहा है, और दोनों का ही विडाल टेस्ट ऑन एग्जामिनेशन पॉजिटिव है, एंड विद द सेम रेशो. If both of them goes to a conventional medicine doctor, so they will be provided with the same antibiotic फॉर से सम 15 डेज, और उसके बाद उनको एक हिदायत दी जाएगी कि आज के बाद आपने कभी बाहर का खाना नहीं खाना, बाहर का पानी नहीं पीना, क्योंकि दे मे हैव द रिलैप्स ऑफ टाइफॉइड अगेन। वो रिलैप्स क्यों होगा? क्योंकि एंटीबायोटिक्स ने बैक्टीरियाज को किल किया, बट एंटीबायोटिक हैज़ नॉट ट्रीटेड द पर्सन। So in homeopathy, if the two persons with the same condition comes to me, then I would be asking the different questions other than this disease condition. For example, एक person को बहुत ज़्यादा restlessness है during fever, दूसरे person को बहुत आराम चाहिए, he wants to sit in the quiet room, he doesn't want to talk to anybody. And on the one hand, the other person might be very thirsty during fever. The second person may not have thirst at all. The one person is feeling very cold and he wants some blankets to be covered upon, but on the other hand, other person feels very hot. So see, the difference is disease is same for both, but their reaction towards disease is different. So we will be prescribing upon those reactions towards the disease. So reaction of each person is different, so both the persons will be prescribed different remedy, and they will not be having a relapse of typhoid again, because we have treated the person, not the disease. We have not killed the bacteria only. One more advice I would like to give to the people, that don't self-medicate with the homeopathic medicines. जैसे मैंने पहले बताया कि होम्योपैथी का जो लॉ है, that is similia similibus curantur. That means a substance can bring upon some symptoms in a healthy individual, and that substance only will cure the similar symptoms of the disease in the sick individual. So अगर हम बिना प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के कोई भी होम्योपैथिक मेडिसिन फॉर अ लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन बिना एडवाइस के खाते रहेंगे, सो समटाइम्स ऐसा हो सकता है कि उसी मेडिसिन के सिम्टम्स आप में आने शुरू हो जाएं. So you will not be able to judge that these are the symptoms because of medicine or that is the original disease. A homeopathic doctor always prescribe upon totality of symptom, which includes the physical journals, mental journals, condition of the disease, stage of the disease, etc. So कभी भी हमें कोई भी मेडिसिन बिना डॉक्टर के एडवाइस के नहीं लेनी चाहिए, क्योंकि वो मेडिसिन आपकी एक करंट कंडीशन को देखते हुए प्रिस्क्राइब की जाती है, एंड दैट मेडिसिन, फॉर एग्जांपल यू हैव बीन प्रिस्क्राइब्ड फॉर अ कोल्ड, कफ और फीवर. सो right now that cold has been brought upon by eating ice cream, for example, but next time that cold has been taken up by some environmental changes, so same medicine will not work for the same condition.